Live from Hollywood, California, welcome to the first annual Stock Academy Awards. Here is your host, the Bald Investor.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the first annual Stock Academy Awards, where 503 companies from the S&P 500 will be fighting for the most prestigious award in the investing world, the Green Candle Award. Now, you might have noticed that we are having a slight attendance problem. I invited all the companies in the S&P 500, but maybe they are just running late. Anyway, we've got 12 separate categories for every sector and one overall winner. But before we get to the good stuff, we need to start with the stock that didn't do so well.
The Red Candle Award.
This one goes to the worst performing stock in the entire index. Out of 503 companies, this is the one that had the roughest year. And the Red Candle Award goes to The Trade Desk, ticker TTD, down 67.76%. If you put $10,000 in the Trade Desk at the beginning of the year, you are walking away with about $3,200. The rest just gone.
Best performance in energy.
22 companies, oil prices all over the place, and one refiner just quietly had a great year. The winner, Valero Energy, ticker VLO, up 32.19%. Well, oil refining, not glamorous, not the stock your friends are talking about at dinner parties. But 32%? That's exactly the kind of boring, reliable performance that builds wealth over time. Congratulations, Valero. This one is for you, whenever you decide to show up and collect it. Oh, and I see we actually have some people coming in. We have a great show for you tonight. Really.
Best performance in consumer staples.
33 companies, toothpaste, groceries, household basics, and apparently energy drinks. Monster Beverage, ticker MNST, up 46.57%. While half of the market was chasing AI stocks, Monster just kept selling cans and delivering returns. And great job at sponsoring a Formula One winner last year as well. So, Monster PR, get in touch and I will send you this beauty. It can be put just next to your trophy from Silverstone.
Best performance in real estate.
31 REITs in the running. And the winner is Welltower, ticker WELL, up 48.82%. Welltower invests in healthcare real estate, senior housing, medical facilities. The population is aging and Welltower is positioned right in the middle of this transformation. Isn't that exciting? Okay, let's move on. Roll the tape.
Best performance in consumer discretionary.
51 companies. This is the sector that does well when people feel confident enough to spend money on things they want, not just what they need. And the winner is Expedia Group, ticker EXPE, up 52.87%. People traveled in 2025. a lot, and Expedia was right there to book those flights and hotels. And Expedia, if you arrange and pay for my travel and accommodation, I can actually bring this award to you. So, it's a good deal. For you, of course.
Best performance in utilities.
31 companies. The sector people think of as safe, stable, and boring. The winner... NRG Energy, ticker NRG, up 71.69%. NRG proved that boring doesn't mean low returns. Wow, it's really getting crowded here. I must be doing something right.
Best performance in healthcare.
60 companies, one of the biggest sector in the S&P 500. And the winner? Cardinal Health, ticker CAH, up 74.12%. Cardinal Health distributes pharmaceuticals. They don't make the drugs, they make sure the drugs go to the pharmacies, hospitals, and clinics that need them. Logistics isn't flashy, but it's essential, and the market rewarded them exactly for that. It was good. I was really professional here, right? No.
Best performance in industrials.
79 companies, the biggest category tonight. Engineering, construction, manufacturing. And the winner is... That's the wrong card, guys. Sorry, excuse me. I think... Yeah, as that was like a bit of the La La Land moment for us. Comfort Systems USA, ticker FIX, up 117 and 80%. I mean, 0.80. I'm sorry, I got distracted. Anyway, they are a national provider of mechanical, electrical, and plumbing building services. Most people have never heard of them, and yet they more than doubled their stock price in a single year. This is what I love about the market. You don't have to stick to the big names. Sometimes the companies nobody is talking about are the ones that make you the most money.
Best performance in materials.
26 companies, mining, metals, chemicals, and the winner? Newmount Corporation, ticker NEM, up 160.23%. Newmount is one of the largest gold miners in the world, and when uncertainty rises, which it did in 2025, gold goes up. And when gold goes up, gold miners go up.
Best performance in communication services.
24 companies, media, entertainment, telecom. And the winner is... Warner Bros. Discovery, ticker WBD, up 170.36%. Now, this is a turnaround story. Warner Bros. Discovery went through a brutal merger. The stock got crushed, everyone was skeptical. And then they executed. The market loves a good redemption arc. And WBD delivered one of the best in 2025. So Warner Bros., if you are looking for someone to host some other awards, then I am free on Tuesdays.
Best performance in financials.
77 companies, banks, insurance, investment platforms. And the winner? Robinhood Markets, ticker HOOD, up 186.76%. Well, love them or not, They've built something that resonated with retail investors. And in 2025, the market said a huge thank you. So call me about this award delivery, and we can also talk about some sponsorship deal, but just, it's an extra, it's a bonus from me.
Best performance in information technology.
69 companies, the sector that powers the modern economy. Emotions are running high, and the winner is Western Digital, ticker WDC, up 268.33%. Let that sink in. 10,000 at the start of the year became almost $37,000 by December. And that brings us to our final award of the night.
Stock of the Year 2025.
Stock of the Year. 503 companies. And you all guessed the winner. The Stock of the Year 2025 is Western Digital, ticker WDC, up 268%. Best in tech and best in the entire S&P 500. 268% in 12 months. That's the kind of performance that reminds you why people invest in the first place. Western Digital, if anyone from that company is watching, 2 green candles are yours. So call me, I'll send them. Ladies and gentlemen, the first annual Stock Academy Awards is officially closed. Thank you for watching and see you next year. We're off? Yeah? Oh, good. I mean, that was so hard. The only stock on this list that I invested in was the trade desk. But, I'm a long-term investor, so, I kept it. Let's see how it did since January. It's down another 21%.